Assalamu alaikum friends, today we'll discuss how to fix Facebook video notification not showing problem. The Facebook Live feature allows user to broadcast themselves on video in real time. Watch the complete video to know how to solve this problem of notification is not coming many times. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. Launch the Facebook app on your iPhone, iPad or Android device. Click your profile picture in the top right of Facebook. Select Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Click Profile Settings. Click Notification Settings. Then click Video. Then turn on Allow Notification on Facebook. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, please share with your friends.
Thanks for watching.